Hello and welcome to the world of SMG Group Tuitions. Let us talk something. During this lockdown, education cannot stop. And if education is not going to stop, but one thing has surely stopped. That is this particular season which is there, especially so called as February, March, April, and May. It is jam packed with so called as weddings. And we are missing that. Yes or no? Yes. We are missing that. Wearing new clothes, meeting people, and most importantly, eating. So, all these things we are missing. Suppose there is wedding in your relation, friend circle, family, or so called as community. That is society in which we are living. Our India is a society. So normally when we go for weddings, so we don't go empty-handed. It depends on whose wedding it is. That is it the wedding of your near and dear friend, or is it the wedding of your own brother, sister, or cousin, or is it the wedding of your neighbor, or is it a wedding of a business person, business relations? So what we do is normally, normally what people do, that is they give cover, but generally that is avoided. They like giving gifts. So normally if you go to a gift shop and you tell that I want to go for a wedding, so he first is asking you a budget. That after you tell your budget, then he says कि sir, will you be comfortable giving tea set? You say no, I don't think so. Then will you be comfortable with dinner set? Then your reply comes yes or no. That does not matter. You move to another shop. You see that there is a so called as watch company. That is the shop which has watches, so we call them as watch company. So you go there and there you say. So he says, okay, will you be comfortable giving wristwatch set? You don't speak. You go to the stationery. There he is asking you, okay, will you be comfortable giving a pen set? So a word has striked many times. You go to the flashback and try to recollect what it was said. The first word which was used was tea set. So what happened? Why did you refuse? You refused because from that word you understood what is there inside. You knew that there will be 6 cups and 6 saucers, right? And a jug. This will be there. So you prepared a picture of it and then you decided, no, I don't want to. Then he used the word dinner set. So you understood, okay, there will be so called as 4 plates, 4 coasters, then so called as 4 big bowls. So that also you were comfortable or not comfortable. So you went to so called as watch company and there he said कि wrist watch set. So you immediately understood, you imagined a box already in front of you in which there is one gents wearing watch and one is ladies wearing watch. So you did not like that concept also and you went to stationery. And when he said that there is a pen set, so you understood that there will be a pair of pens. Earlier times when pen sets used to come, used to come na, or were available. So that time one compulsory was a fountaining pen and one used to be ballpoint pen. But now it is a pair of pens. So what happened when these particular words were used, na? So it immediately struck our brain. That is, when the word was used dinner set, so you immediately understood what will be inside. When they use the word as a tea set, so immediately you understood. That means from this word you understood what is the material present in it. Right? So this particular presence which we understand from the word, and especially they are not single. There is at least two item or more than two items, one item, at least something is there in that. So this is brought together. Together means collection. So it is collection of certain objects which we understand properly by hearing at it. That is, after hearing, we exactly come to know what is present in it. So such collection in which we can know what material is present in it, what objects are present in it, such collection is called as set. So now we will see a very beautiful topic which is very, very, very useful you in complete education process further. So that is called as set. I hope you understood the introduction of it. So what is set? So set is collection of well-defined objects. You understood my word, well-defined objects. It is collection of well-defined objects. यानी, as I said, कि when dinner set word was used, tea set word was used, you exactly came to know कि what will be there inside. Objects you understood. That is called as set. Okay. Now, when I say कि handsome, what will say, handsome male actors in Bollywood or Hollywood or Tollywood. Now, I am seeing from my perspective, I might find Mr. A very beautiful. But at that same time, when I ask to my neighbors, my family members, my friends, my country, my world, everyone may not agree to it. From their perspective, Mr. B is more beautiful, Mr. C is more beautiful, Mr. X is more beautiful, right? I will tell you one example. One of my friend, a female friend, was crazy for one of the actor. I don't know his name. Some film was there, Twilight, something like that. She was crazy for him. And when I saw, तो I thought, अरे क्या बेवकूफ़ है यार, ये बंदर के पीछे क्या पागल है? Because according to her, he was the most beautiful person in the world. And I did not like at all. So that particular thing, that is handsome male of Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, or handsome male in country, handsome male in world, may have different perspective. So such thing even if it is a collection, is not a set, because it does not contain well-defined objects. Okay? So everything is very clear. Okay? So this is the formal understanding of set. Now what happened? Mathematician thought that it must be presented in front of someone, that is to the world, in a particular format. So certain things they told that what format should be there. So they told that let us call all the objects of set to be as elements. Let us call this thing first. That all the objects which are there, let us call them as elements, so that one particular word will be fixed. Let us give a name to the set. And how to give the name? So they told कि use capital English alphabet. Use capital English alphabet for naming it. Okay. तो they told elements you use, so we have used capital English alphabet word you use, so that, sorry, letter use, so that also we are using it. Okay, so that also we did. Then they told that there must be one particular way of writing. So what is that particular way of writing? Write it in curly braces. That is open and close. Write in curly braces. Braces means bracket. Huh? That is opening and closing like this. Curly braces. Huh? So write it in curly braces. Okay. Now what they thought, if the elements we are writing, you understood now, elements, that are objects. So element if we are writing, those elements will get clustered. They will join each other, they will put it into each other. So what they told, कि separate these elements. Separate elements using comma. Okay. Now then what happened कि यहाँ तक तो हो गया. Then they felt कि because it is a collection, तो collection can have anything, that is collection of letters in an word. Okay. तो when they said collection करना ही है, तो एक बात हम लोग करते हैं कि if capital alphabets are used, we will convert them to small. That is capital alphabet or capital letter, what you say so, we will convert it to small letters. Okay, understood? So one new problem arose. What was that new problem? The new problem was कि suppose the word like Allahabad is there. तो Allahabad came. तो इन दैट ALLAHBAD, तो गड़बड़ लग रहा था कि ए लुक सेम इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, फोर्थ प्लेस एंड मे बी 6, 7 प्लेस, वॉट एवर इज देयर. तो उसको क्या बार बार लिखने का? तो दे फाउंड आउट अ वे एंड टोल्ड कि एक काम करो, डू नॉट रिपीट. दैट इज डू नॉट रिपीट. रिपीट बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. दैट इज नो रेपिटेशन करो. रिपीट बिल्कुल ही नहीं करना है. राइट? ओके, तो दैट वाज द बेटर सॉल्यूशन, नॉट टू रिपीट एट ऑल. राइट? तो नाउ दिस वाज डन कि नाउ देर इज नो repetition at all were happy and everything went. Now the question they arised कि will there be only one way of writing? क्या करने का? एक ही वे रखने का कि कोई और तरीका? क्योंकि क्या होता है कि सपोज आई एम गोइंग फॉर परचेज. Now suppose your mother gives you, so called as, tells go to the market and bring this. तो what she tells, ये लेके आना इतना, ये लेके आना इतना, ये लेके आना इतना. तो what you say, अरे पापा पापा ऐसा मत करना मम्मी. What you do, you all are obedient children, तो obviously you do the work of your parent, and you help even the needy people, यानी senior peoples in your locality, that is old people in your building, that you help. तो what you do is कि what you tell your mother कि मैं don't do like this. What you do, तो मम्मी एक काम करो, यू टेल एंड आई विल राइट. तो यू टेक अ पेज, शी टेल्स यू बेटा लिखना शक्कर 5 किलो, ओके, शुगर 5 kg, देन ऑयल 4 किलो, ओके, देन यू राइट गेहूँ 5 किलो, देन यू राइट सो कॉल्ड एज चावल 3 किलो, देन यू राइट सो कॉल्ड एज 1 सोसाइटी टी, देन यू राइट सो कॉल्ड एज 3 किलो तुअर दाल, ओके, दैट वी रोड. देन शी सेज के साबुदाना लिखो, वो भी लिख दिया. ये सब शी टेल्स एंड यू राइट्स. ओके, नाउ यू गो टू द शॉप, राइट? गो टू द शॉप एंड द शॉपकीपर क्यू इज देयर, दैट पीपल आर देयर, 3-4 people स्टैंडिंग. तो ही आस्क कि बेटा क्या हुआ, So you give that particular chitti to him, or you start saying, "कि uncle ये भरो." No, no. What you do is better thing. You give that particular list to him, right? And you give the list to him, and after giving list, he starts packing. So what you might have observed, कि the person who is having list, what he does, you wrote पहले sugar 5 kg, तो उसके अगर बगल में नज़दीक में तुअर दाल है तो वो तुअर दाल पहले भरेगा. क्या ऐसा ज़रूरी है कि शुगर ही भरेगा? नो, वो तुअर दाल पहले भरेगा. बाद में देख रहा है कि वहाँ पर बगल में उसके ये पड़ा हुआ है, तेल के पाउच है, तो फटाफट 3 तेल के पाउच निकाल के देता है आपको, राइट? यस और नो? कि आप उसको जाके बोलते नहीं अंकल, नॉट, डोंट डू लाइक दिस. माई फर्स्ट इज शुगर ना, तो यू गिव मी शुगर ओनली. माई सेकेंड इज ऑयल, तो यू गिव मी ऑयल ओनली. आई विल नॉट टेक लाइक दैट. इज इट दैट? नो. यू नो कि वाइल दे गिव ऑल्सो टू अस ना, दे व्हेन इट इज बीन पैक्ड, तो दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन्स कि दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन थ्रोज दैट पर्टिकुलर पैकेट. हाँ. And after means packet throws means not exactly where, in your basket, that is whatever थैला, whatever bag you are having in that, तो what जो हाथ में आता है उठाता है वो. हाँ, साबुदाना 1 किलो, सिंगदाना 2 किलो, like this. Or they see the list and tell, no, the list is with whom? The owner. Whatever you tell, he goes on marking it. Agreed? He does not say कि नहीं बेटा, ए बाबा पहला क्या है, शक्कर तो शक्कर ही भरना, नहीं ऐसा बोला है क्या? नहीं. तो दे डोंट थिंक ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ गिविंग. तो हियर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग वाज आल्सो टोल्ड बाय मैथमेटिशियन. दे टोल्ड व्हाट कि डोंट थिंक ऑन ऑर्डर, दैट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ अरेंजमेंट. तो ऑर्डर इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. ऑर्डर नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. Right? Enjoying na? Nicely. Even we are enjoying, because at SMG Group Tuitions we live up to our slogan, that is Samir sir plus Madhav sir is equal to success. So order is not important, right? So now they told what कि एक काम करते हैं. That was okay कि your mother gave so called as list of 10 items, 20 items, 50 items, it is okay up to that. But if someone tells me to make a list of people, their ages of particular country, so that is not my own work. What government does, they send infinite number of people, they do the survey, and after giving survey, they just declare the figure. दे डोंट टेल कि भैया ये जो अभी है ये ए इज ऑफ 12 years, बी इज ऑफ 16 years. डू दे टेल, डू वी फाइंड दैट लिस्ट ऑफ 130 crore people on website? No, they just give numbers कि there are so called as 15 crore people between the age 10 to 15 and so on. So actually they did not prepare the list because it is very big. Those mathematicians thought we will be making some arrangement for this. So what arrangement they made? They told the way of writing set. So methods of writing set, the first one is called as listing method. So now that I will define to you pehle, and I will write all the points which you must keep into consideration when you make this particular way of writing. What he said, that is a mathematician said what? You don't do anything. The word listing method or roasters method. So what roasters told? कि एक काम करो, you write the actual list of elements. So the name came as listing method. Write the elements itself. But how to write? Follow the conditions told by set and some additional things. So what I will do is, I will pen down pehle and then I will explain you one by one. So while writing sets, so there are two methods of writing set. The one is listing or roasters method. It is called as listing method or roasters method. The second is called as rule form or set builder. It is called as set builder or rule form. So first we will dive into listing method. Keeping all the conditions as it is. What they told, कि what you do in listing method, you actually prepare list of all the elements. Okay? You prepare the list of all the elements. Keep in mind that order is not important. तो you can write पहला वाला बीच में, बीच वाला आखिरी में, आखिरी वाला सेकेंड में, चलेगा. Order is not important. Then again it is known that whatever we are writing must be written in curly bracket only. That I know. Repetition must not be there. Right? Now, after last element, do not put any comma or full stop. Just close the curly brace. Now, if last element is not known, that means it is not ending only. You may be thinking how it is possible. It is not ending. Yeah, it is, na. If you take the collection of numbers, natural numbers, so is it going to end? If you think of the biggest number, plus 1 will be the next number. So it goes to infinity. So that is not going to end. So what we do is, कि वो starting वाला 3-4 elements we write, then put a comma, then dot dot dot, 3-4 dots and curly bracket closes. So it indicates that it is going continuously. Okay? Then if the list is too big, यानी बहुत बड़ा अगर लिस्ट होगा तो लिखने में समय भी जाएगा, and it will actually speaking in the perspective of exam will only yield you 1 mark. Correct? तो अगर एक ही मार्क मिलना है तो इतनी मेहनत करके मतलब क्या होगा? तो what we do is we write 2-3 elements at the beginning, put comma, dot dot dot, again comma, then last element, or 2-3 elements if you want. Generally last also is sufficient, and close the brace. Okay? Now, keeping all this in mind, we will actually apply and see. So I am just writing one of the set. You are, I think so, able to see. Name of set I am giving as A. Okay? And what do I write here? Say I am writing here 15, 20, 25, 30. Right? 30. You are being guided by Samir sir from SMG group tuitions. 35. Suppose closed. Okay? You saw while writing what I did. I'm not still dealing with so-called as listing, but you saw I gave a name of the set, which is the first thing. Now this material of the set, that is 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Right? That particular material which is there, that is called as element. So I will say 15 is the element of set A. Agreed or not? Yes or no? Yes. 20 is the element of set A. Yes. Right? तो मैं क्या बोलूँगा कि 30 belongs to set A. Agreed or not? Right? You will 100% agree. Now you don't feel कि ये बहुत बड़ा लिखना पड़ रहा है. अब क्या मैं हर बार ऐसा लिखूँ इतना बड़ा belongs to. तो we write it in symbolical form. We say 30 belongs to A. This symbol is called something. Keep it as your work to find. बिकॉज इफ आई टेल यू एवरीथिंग तो मज़ा तो नहीं आएगा ना, कुछ तो अपना भी काम करो ना. इट हैज़ इट्स नेम. ओके, दैट आई विल नॉट टेल यू नाउ. तो 30 बिलोंग्स टू ए. व्हाट अबाउट 40? So we will try and search. Or 40 is not there here. Is it or not? So if 40 is not there, then what we say कि 40 does not belong to A. Got it? Very nice. Yes or no? So we came to know कि 40 does not belong to set A. So now let us dive into some of the questions only to understand it. That is what is the exact work of this. Okay, let us start with very simple. It is telling counting numbers. I have written here numbers and then I wrote here counting. That is very important. Counting numbers from 1 to 10. So shall I count? Yes, we will start counting. Is it from 1 to 10 or between 1 to 10? The game of words. If it is between, that means extreme will not be included. That is 1 and 10 will not be included. But it is from means from first to last. Okay. So 1 to 10, not a big list. So what listing method says? Ki prepare the list. Okay. So I am preparing the list. But for preparing list, I will give the name of the set. Say it is A. Then equal to sign. Curly bracket start. Agreed. Which is the first element? First element is 1. If you are very interested or you know, continue the serial only, you can write in between. But if you write in between, what will happen? I am telling you. Then you will have to write, that is if you don't keep the order, you will have to write all the elements. That is without fail. So first element I wrote, okay, 1. Then second element I wrote 2. Then third element I wrote 3. Okay. Now you can say, tell me which is the first element. 1. No, you are wrong. Yes, you are wrong. Think. Revert back. Go to the flashback. I said what? Ki the elements which we are writing must be separated. Na? This is 123, not 1, 2 and 3. So must be separated by comma. Okay. Then so called as comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 10. Okay. Now I want to put comma, full stop. No, 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 no. No comma, no full stop after the last element. Just the curly bracket closed. Okay. This was a simple question I took purposely. Now if I write the question same, but what I am writing here, K odd counting numbers, odd natural numbers from 1 to 99. Right. You need to write what? Odd natural numbers from कहाँ से कहाँ तक? Starting from 1 up to what? 99. So for 1 mark, are you going to write all the odd numbers? You may be knowing the numbers, no? Odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2, or after division with 2, they leave remainder 1. That is before converting to decimal form, they leave the remainder 1. So obviously the numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. तो क्या 99 तक लिखूँ मैं 1 मार्क के लिए? Is it practical? Not practical, not advisable. So what I will do is, I will first give the name to the set. Any name. Does not matter even if you give A, because that question was different and this question is different. But at least we have asked 26 alphabet, na, use them. After completion of them, then to what to, that also I will tell you. Curly bracket, start. The first element, 1. Then, so called as 3. Then, 5. Then, 7, then 9. कितना लिखूँ यार, हाथ दुख जाएगा. तो what I do, I put dots. This much element also not required, only 3 elements you write sufficient is. Then comma, and which is the last element, that is 99, curly bracket close. List is too big, so I wrote initially 3 elements. Here it is written 2 3 elements. This one is 2 and 3. You might this 2 is overwritten. That is not 23. It is 2 and 3. This 2 dash 3 it is. Okay. So list is too big, so I wrote 2 3 elements, comma, dot dot dot, comma, last element. Okay. Now if I say here k counting numbers greater than 1000. Suppose I say so. Counting numbers greater than 1000 means all the numbers which are greater than 1000. So name it. So again listing method, whichever I am going to write the name of that method, that is C equal to curly bracket start. Agreed. The counting numbers greater than 1000. Right. So if you have counting numbers greater than 1000, that means shall I take 1000? Yes, yes, not to take it. More than 1000, TK, I will start writing 1001, 1002, 1001, comma, 1002, comma, 1003. Shall I go and writing 1004, comma, 1005, comma, 1006. I will so called as complete my life on this earth, still it will not complete. Yes or no? That means it is infinite set. So what I will do, 2 3 elements I will write, put comma, dot dot dot, don't know the last element, so I will just close the brace. No comma, no full stop after this. The brace will be closed. Okay? Enjoying now? Yes, enjoying, get your concepts clear, fundamentals clear. Okay? Now let us go to so called as mathematics. Okay, this word, very good. Right? I will write this in listing method. Okay, so when I write in listing method, I will give the name of set. Let me call it as D equal to curly bracket start. The first one M. Right? So shall I write this M? Yes, I will write. But shall I write it in capital? No. Write it in small. Okay? Make it small. Comma. Get the comma? Yes, I did. Then A. Then comma. Then T. Well and good. No problem. Comma. Then H. No problem. Comma. Then E. No problem, comma. Then M. No. M has, I think so, written somewhere. Yes, it is. So you will not repeat this. So this will go. Then I will write A. That also is written. No repetition. Then I will write T. That also is written. Very good. So I will not repeat. But I is not there. So I will write here I. Then comma. C also is not there. So C. Then comma. Then S. Right? Okay. So if I see here, what I will say, key, I have not repeated M, A and T, right? So what I will say here, ki actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 letters in whom the word mathematics. But how many came in the set? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो कम हो गया ना, बाकी का गायब हो गया. गायब हो गया क्या? नो, रिपीटेड वी हैव नॉट टेकन. दैट मीन्स आई विल से कि नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट डी आर 8. आई सेड व्हाट? कि नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स in set D are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8. Agreed? Number of elements in set D are 8. This we can represent. ये इतना बड़ा बड़ा लिखते जाऊंगा क्या मैं? Number of elements in set A are 10. इतना बड़ा लिखूंगा तो कुछ तो होना चाहिए. तो we write it in symbolical form like this कि n of D but read as number of elements in D is equal to 8. Okay, got this? There are many questions which we can prefer and we can make out of this. Now suppose you are orally will talk months of year. Months of year. तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पर तो कोई स्मॉल बड़ा करने का मतलब ही नहीं, पूरा नाम तो लिखना पड़ेगा. जनवरी इज योर फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. जनवरी कॉमा फेब्रुवरी कॉमा मार्च कॉमा पूरा लिखूंगा दिसंबर तक. तो इफ आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग देन आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड टू राइट ऑल. मार्च के बाद कॉमा करो, डॉट 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 डालो एंड डिसम्बर एंड करली ब्रैकेट क्लोज. राइट? Because it is understood, you are in line. But if you write pehle March, then you write September, then you will have to write all the 12 months. Then Indian year also is there, na? Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapada, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Falgun. ये पूरा लिखना पड़ता है. Or you can write Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad, but no one knows it. So you have to write all the elements separated by comma. Okay, now suppose you are writing in days of week, there also you can write all this. Colors of rainbow, Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, yellow, orange, red. Right? That you can write separated by comma. So if list is too big, then starting wala do teen you write. The benefit of writing in order is what? You can skip them. But if you don't maintain the order, then obviously you'll have to write the all. Okay, order is not important at all. 100% I'm telling you, order is not important, but do not skip it if it is too large, so that you will not be able to maintain the rapport then. Okay, so many questions we can make from this. So right now I hope the concept is clear to you, right? Fundamentals are clear. The main important thing of studying is go to the root of it, understand it very properly. उसको ना हर चीज हर बारीकी से समझो. Get your fundamentals and basics clear. Unless until your fundamentals and basics are clear, you will not enjoy education. Education is to be enjoyed. I hope you liked it, and if you have liked it, I would request you to like it, share it and subscribe, so that whatever videos we will be loading, you will get the information, and it will also help those people who directly may not get in contact. We are born to make the world intelligent since 2001. It was nice talking to you till lockdown. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and goodbye.